That's you should read the Bhakti Sandarbha verse Anuched 278. Huh? No, that was Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. But this is the Bhakti Sandarbha 278. Because I may give a talk on this on Guru Purnima, I don't know. But he's talking about the criterion for Vaishnava Sangha. So I gave the general idea from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. But then that's because someone may not even have Diksha, no guru. But they're interested in the sadhya of Gaudiya Vaishnavism. They want to be a Gaudiya Vaishnava. So then who to learn from or who to associate with? So these criteria are there. So if you have some idea of what your goal is, so you try to find someone who represents that. But once you are initiated, then there becomes a little more criterion, and then this is very clear and very important things which often people neglect. And seva avirodena Vaishnavanam sevanam antyanta dosha syat nitya sevanam param shreya. Many things. So the main thing, what's said here, the main point he's saying in Anuched 278, I believe it's 278. 278. Yeah, Bhakti Sandarbha, I believe. My notes are a little fast here. But it's
this is the problem with many devotees, Maharaj.
278. And then the particular verses there, the verses from different Puranas or whatnot. But in his line, because he has an Anuched, and the Anuched has so many subsections, quoting 10-20 verses. Now this particular verse may be the 700th verse that he's quoted in the whole book. You follow? So Anuched 278. Yes. And then the particular verses that I have here about it, 715, 718, 718, 715, like that. Because he has several thousand verses, and there's only a few hundred Anucheds. So each Anuched has so many verses, so that by the time you get to 278, because the book is not that long, it's towards the end of the book. It's already 700 reference verses in before this. You follow? It's like this. So there, the most important thing which most people neglect, he said, one can accept shiksha, one can only accept shiksha or shiksha guru from some devotee that's approved by the Diksha Guru. Translate in Hindi.
It should be approved by the Diksha Guru.
Diksha Guru.
Disciple can accept a Shiksha Guru, any Shiksha Guru who's Sajati Snigdha, all that, if
he is approved by
Diksha Guru, agar
Hindi.
Diksha Guru agar शिष्य को अप्रूव करेंगे कि हाँ इस महाराज के पास जाकर शिक्षा ले सकते हैं तो आज्ञा के अनुसार
बिना दीक्षा गुरु आज्ञा प्रवेश नहीं होगा अपराध बड़ा अपराध. He very stresses this point very much, and most people don't even know this.